Chapter 9. More on HTML. You will learn about HTML lists, HTML images, adding links in HTML, adding and moving text on a web page. HTML lists. HTML lists are used to present list of information in well-formed and semantic way. There are 3 different types of lists in HTML. 1. Ordered list, used to create a list of related items in a specific order. 2. Unordered list, used to create a list of related items in no particular order. 3. Description list, used to create a list of terms and their descriptions. Ordered list. It displays elements in numbered format. The HTML OL tag is used for the ordered list. Attribute type is used to define the type of numbering list and to define the starting point of the list. Start attribute is used. Each list item starts with li tag and ends with close li tag. There can be different types of numbered list. Numeric number 1, 2, 3 onwards, capital Roman number, small Roman number, capital alphabet A, B, C in capital, small alphabet. Brain dose. Currently, no browser completely supports all of HTML5's new features. Example, HTML code to create an ordered list of flowers. Using start attribute. If you want the list numbers with small Roman number and starting with IV or 4, then the HTML code will be unordered list. It displays items of list in bulleted format. Unordered list can be used where there is no need to display items in any particular order. The HTML UL tag is used for the unordered list. Type attribute is used to define the shape of bullet. Each item of list starts with li tag and ends with close li tag. 4 types of bulleted lists are disk. It is the default style and items are marked with bullets. Circle. Items are marked with circles. Square. Items are marked with squares. None. Items are not marked. Example, HTML code to create different types of unordered list. Description list. A description list is a list with terms and descriptions. It is defined with DL tag in HTML. The DD tag is used to describe the term and DT tag defines the term in HTML. DT stands for definition term and DD stands for definition description. Example, HTML images. Images enhance visual appearance of the web pages by making them more interesting and colorful. In HTML, images are defined with the IMG tag. The IMG tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not require a closing tag. Its various attributes are src, alt or alt, title, height, width. The syntax of the IMG tag is as IMG space src equals URL in double quote, alt equals alternate text in double quote. Each image must carry at least these 2 above attributes, src and alt. The src attribute tells the browser where to find the image. Its value is the URL of the image file. Whereas the alt attribute provides an alternative text for the image. If it is unavailable or cannot be displayed for some reason, its value should be a meaningful substitute for the image. The title attribute is used to display the title text on pointing the mouse over the image. Example, setting the width and height of image. The width and height attributes are used to specify the width and height of the image. The values of these attributes are interpreted in pixels by default. Example, setting alignment of an image. By default, image will align at the left side of the page, but you can also use align attribute to set it in center or on the right margin. Example, setting border of an image. By default, image will have a border around it, but you can specify the thickness of border in terms of pixels using the attribute border. A thickness of 0 means no border around the image. Example: setting images as background. Using attribute background with the body tag is used to insert image as background. If size of the image is smaller than the page, the image will repeat itself. Example: HTML links. A web page can contain various links that take you directly to other pages and even to specific parts of a given page. These links are known as hyperlinks. Hyperlinks allow visitors to navigate between websites by clicking on words, phrases, and images. Thus, a hyperlink can be created using text or images available on a web page. Linking documents. A link is specified using HTML tag A. This tag is called anchor tag. Whatever you write between the opening and closing tag becomes part of the link, and now you can click on that part to reach to the linked document. The syntax of anchor tag is as anchor tag href equals document URL in double quote, attributes -list, link text, close anchor tag. By default, links will appear as follows in most of the browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and red. Example: a link can also be used to jump to another document. On moving the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. Using images as links in HTML links. Images can also be used as links instead of text as given below. Brain dose. Many tags of HTML are deprecated in HTML5 version. Link titles. The title attribute specifies the extra information about the link. The information is most often displayed as a tooltip text when you move the mouse over the link. Example: some commonly used tags. Line break tag BR. This tag is used to insert a line break and it is an empty tag, that is, it does not require closing. Heading tag H1 onwards to H6. This tag is used to display the headings in a web page and it is a container tag. 6 different size headings are available from H1 to H6, with H1 being the highest heading and H6 is the lowest. Paragraph tag P. This tag is used to create paragraphs in HTML and it is a container tag. To align a paragraph, a line attribute is used with the tag. Tags for formatting text. 1. B. Bold tag. The text enclosed in bold tag is displayed in boldface. 2. Italic tag. The text enclosed in italic tag is displayed in italics. 3. Underline tag. Brain dose. Tim Berners-Lee invented HTML in the year 1989. Some more formatting tags. Tag use. Big tag, big text. Small tag for small text. Strong tag for bold plus big text. Strike tag for crosses the text at middle. Sub tag to subscript the text. SUP tag to superscript the text. INS inserts the text. DEL tag deletes the text. Horizontal rule tag HR tag. The HR tag in HTML stands for horizontal rule and is used to insert a horizontal rule in an HTML page in order to divide or separate document sections. It is an empty tag and it does not require an end tag. By default, the horizontal line made by this tag appears shaded and spans the width of browser window. But you can modify them by using following attributes. Attribute, value, description, example. Align, left, center, right, used to specify the alignment of the horizontal rule. HR tag align equals center. No shade, no shade, used to specify the horizontal line without shading effect. HR tag no shade. Size, numerical value in pixels, used to specify the height of the horizontal line. HR tag size is equal to 6. Width, numerical value in pixels or percentage, used to specify the width of the horizontal line. HR tag width is equal to 300 or HR tag width is equal to 50%. Color, name of color, used to specify the color of the horizontal line. HR tag color is equal to red. Example: font tag. Font. This tag plays an important role in creating an attractive and readable web page. This tag is used to change the color, size, and style of text. It is a container tag and therefore it requires an end tag. Following are 3 attributes of font tag. Attribute description. Example: size, used to specify the size of text in HTML document. The range of size of the font in HTML is from 1 to 7 and default size is 3. Font size equals 2 in double quote. Face, used to specify the font type in HTML document. Font tag face is equal to Arial in double quote. Color, used to specify the color of text in HTML document. Value of color attribute can be specified either with its name or with its hexadecimal code. Font tag color equals green in double quote. For example, center tag. This tag is used to set the alignment of text into the center in a web page. It is a container tag and therefore requires an end tag. Syntax: open center tag, close center tag. Note: center tag is not supported in HTML5, therefore CSS is used to set the alignment of HTML element. Example: nesting of tags. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements, as you had seen that all HTML tags are placed within other HTML tags. It is called nesting of tags. You know that title tag is placed within head tag and both these tags are placed within HTML tag. Likewise, HTML elements can be nested, that is, elements can contain other elements. When tags are nested, always remember to close the tags in opposite order in which they are opened. Example: H2 tag, I tag, P tag. This is called nesting of tags. Close P tag, close H tag, close H2 tag. In the above example, you can notice that H2 tag, I tag and P tags are open, so their closing order became close P tag, close I tag and close H2 tag. Quick recap. The web pages are written using a special language called HTML. HTML is written in Notepad editor and saved with .html extension. Body tag is used to describe the entire web page content. Commands in HTML are called tags. B tag, I tag, U tag, big tag, etc. are some commonly used formatting text tags. BR tag is used to insert a line break in HTML file.